This is Hank Davis with another help video for the Get Acquainted WordPress plugin from newmediathemes.com. On this one, we're going to talk about font size. You see up here, the default font size has the name a little bit too big to where it is going on 2 rows because my sidebar is not wide enough. And the font is just too big to all fit up there. So I want that to all fit on one line. So let's go into the Get Acquainted edit profile. And let's scroll down to the CSS styles for profile widget. And we're looking at space number 2. Because that's where our little header goes. Space number 2 does not have font size written out in it. It just goes to its default, but we can add that in here, right down here. So if you look at space number 3, right after the font style, you have font size. So you could just copy all the way to the semicolon. And then we can paste that after the current semicolon behind sans, but before that little bracket. Paste that in. And we're going to save that. We're going to start out with 11 because that's what space number 3 uses. So we'll start out with that and see if that'll fit it on that. Let's go back out front, refresh, and there you have it. Now we're able to fit that on one line. We could push the envelope and see if we can make it bigger. We'll see how big we can go before it doesn't fit. Let's try 12. And 12 is the default, but you would know that. So it's just too big. So we're going to just stick with 11. We'll save that, go back out, refresh, and that fits there. Now, if you wanted to change the font size for your writing, which is space 3, or for the header for your social links, space 5, or space 7, the header for your drop down box, you can do the same thing. Just head on down into the CSS styles for profile widget. And those areas come standard with a display already for the text size. If you wanted to change the spot for your text about you or your business, you can just head to space number 3 and the default is 11. We get up that to 12. We'll take a look at and see what that looks like. And that increases the font size just a little bit, makes it a little easier to read. You can play around with that, see what font size works for you. So that is how you change the font size in the Get Acquainted WordPress plugin. Thanks for watching.